Are you looking to earn a little sweat equity? Looks like Tom is. Well, the potential is here at 536 Newton Street in South Hadley. This is already a great house, but you can add value with your own personal touch. A wonderful spacious floor plan that offers flexibility.
This home is already open, but could you imagine removing this wall to make it even more open?
That's right. This would be the perfect place for a great big old island or a breakfast bar. This house features 3 bedrooms and 1 full bath, all on 1 floor for easy living. The basement was finished at one point and is ready to be finished off again if or when you need more living space. Side enclosed porch is enjoyable to relax in, and oh, did I mention it even comes with a 1-car detached garage? Affordably priced and conveniently located. This home is just steps away from you enjoying your morning cup of coffee, picking up the needed materials for fun renovation projects, grabbing a bite to eat when lunch calls, and strolling across the street to pick up something to celebrate that special occasion when all your special touches are done. So come and see this great home that's loaded with potential. Sunday, the 22nd, between 1 and 2:30. So make sure you come and see this great house that's loaded with potential. I'm Realtor Amy Kelly.
And I'm her husband, Tom.
And we're your real estate professionals. And until next time, happy house hunting.